Hello, I'm Luke Hagen, owner-operator of Hagen Surface Protection in Santa Cruz, California. Just wanted to give you a glimpse of the latest project I've been working on. Just finished. It's the 2017 Sprinter Mercedes Airstream RV. This one we started with a wash. We did a one-step paint polish. This is a single stage black paint. So there was some oxidation and fading and some light scratches. So we removed that through polishing, and then we applied Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light ceramic coating. It's a 3 to 5 year ceramic coating. Benefits of the coating is this is going to stay cleaner longer because it's so slick the dirt can't stick to it. And then when you do need to wash it, I would say about 80% of whatever's on the surface is just going to be released with just a rinse down, and then you just need to do a real quick easy hand wash and dry it, and then it will return to this amazing gloss. Look at the reflection. Glass, paint. Pretty nice. Take a good look at the gloss. Ceramic coating is also going to prevent this paint from fading in the future. Resist oxidation, chemically resistant, and excellent UV protection. So I can do this to any vehicle, car, truck, RV, boat. Feel free to contact me at 831-350-1010, or you can get me through my website, Hagen Surface Protection. And your vehicle can look just good as this and stay looking this good. Alright, well, I hope to talk to you soon.